To improve your posture strength, reduce pain, you must learn how to operate your shoulder blade. It does all kinds of things, right? Here's what it does. Check this out. It goes around the rib cage like Tawny's doing right here. The shoulder blade goes up and down just like Andrew's does. And to top it all off, it does a scoop motion, which what it does is that you rotating your armpit underneath and it scoops that blade under. Now notice, whether you're in a down dog like Tawny, doing a handstand, or you've got a dumbbell over your head, or a kettlebell, or you're a freaking dog, or a turtle, or you're in a push-up position, you are learning how to get your scapula, take it up and down, side to side, and then find that equilibrium, that center balance point, and maintain it there. Learning. You guys look adorable right now. Get them.